现在我们看一下这两个新产品它的区别是什么。刃长它们是很接近的，杯柄要长一点点。然后你现在进来，你看一下它们这个刃截面。
Right? So it forces you to have your hand further up into the cup, right? And so these cup hilt rapiers. Oh, by the way, so we have, so rapier, right, is from the Spanish ropera. Spanish ropera.
Okay.
So Spanish ropera means clothing, right? So it's called the espada ropera, right? Which is how the English started calling it a rapier, right? Because they got it from the Spanish ropera, and it basically meant it was a gentle blade on it, so it can impart some cuts, but it's primarily a thrust-centric blade, right? So it's you strike with thrust, right? And this cup gives a lot of hand protection. Right? This is very nicely done. So all these cup hilt rapiers, and it's a very good design, and because it gives you a lot of hand protection. It's actually easier to make German sword, so it's a little bit shorter than the rapier, right? But it's
bigger than.
But this is a very useful sword. And it was a little bit heavier than a rapier, but still, I would probably carry this kind of sword rather than
You like this one?
a shell guard. And that's very nice. So this was more expensive to make than the cup hilt rapier because you had all this welding you had to do. So this was very much a gentleman's sword, right?
Yeah.
And it's a little bit heavier. But what you'll notice is that the cup hilt rapiers, swept hilts, you'd see these more in like England and France, because it was kind of more style thing. It's functionally the cup hilt was just as good. And also a lot of times you see with these swept hilt rapiers, you see the quillions. So it's but again, it's very much offensive style of where it's like you're. So you can see how you can get a lot of reach out of it, right? So it's like you can see how far you can reach, and that's the point goes into the other person, right? So it's very much a points. It's a stabbing method, right?
Yes. This 4.4 this one is suitable. This is very common. This is very common 3.4 Yes.
Yeah, for sparring weapon, yeah, so it's safe. Yeah.
3,000 guan is popular,
Yeah.
and you can see this one. This one is the softest. Yes, this is softest.
Yeah. The real weapon is going to be a lot harder.
Yes, yes. Not so hard. If so hard, it will easy to get hurt.
Yes. 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 I mean that.
So why we do the just we do this. This is weighting the pole arm, the sa and the ji. So you can see this so not thick that, but if you over the. This is suitable. 400. 4,000, yes. 4 kilo, yes. It's also okay.
How about the rapier? What does that do?
What?
The rapier.
Oh, this is real saw. Real saw, we don't do this practice, yes.
Yeah. It's too stiff.
Yes, yes, yes. Yes, this is okay. So it's very thin. Yes, it's very thin. Oh yeah. Real saw by us, we can see the bend strength of it.
Yeah.
Oh, 6,
7.
nearly 7.
Yeah.
It's okay. It's very nearly the hammer sparring saw. Very nearly.